But wait, oh, what if I just dey waka for road, then one of these content creators just meet me, come start dey beg me say never chop for like 8 days. From there I come do like say I don vex, come show am my last 200 naira.
One man.
You come say he go manage am like that. All of a sudden, after I give am the money like this, he go just shout, he say prank. Everybody go come dey emotional. From there they go come reward me with like $10 million. Plus my former 2K wey I get for account. That's approximately $10 million, 2,000 naira. I go first buy cool Fanta and break the seafront. Soft life all the way. Sharp, sharp, sharp.
Hunger don't collect some department for inside my brain. Mix them with water.